Firstly, we are going to begin by blending our old-fashioned oats to a floury consistency. And once that is done, we're going to start. So let's get into the intro and let's get this going. To boiling water, we are going to add our oats that we just blend, and we're going to cook that in, and then I'm going to knead it and make the balls that I'm satisfied with, size that is. And then we're going to roll it out. After I let it rest for about 20 minutes, I roll it out as thin as possible, and on a very hot plate, hot plate, we're going to let that cook, and basically that's it. So now we're going to throw that on our plate. We're going to make a slit down the center, and I'm going to put what I'm putting in different sections so we could wrap it. So every time we bite, we get a taste of everything. So first we're going to add with cheese, and then we're going to add some cucumbers, and I'm going to add some minced meat that I cook. I added some string beans to this. This minced meat recipe would be in the cards up. And let's start our wrap. We're going to take this end, roll it over the minced meat, and we're going to lift up that mincemeat part, put it over on the cucumber, and then take up that part and put it over on the cheese. And there we have a very delicious and healthy oat wrap full of fiber and nutrition from all the vegetables in this meal. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the mincemeat recipe and all of the other recipes on my YouTube channel. Have a good one now, and remember to stay safe. Bye.